What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, coin calls, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a really quick look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, it's looking as though we've basically, having a little bit of a renaissance over the past few days. It seems as though, from what we can tell, Bitcoin's heading down in these big ranges, isn't it? And it's looking like we're getting quite overextended to the downside at this point. As you can see on the RSI as well, we're finally coming back up to retest that RSI downtrend that we have been looking at for a good while here. You can see resistance, 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 resistance. If we can break this RSI downtrend, I'm confident that we could be looking at potentially something just like back here. You can see this resistance that we were stuck under for a long time for Bitcoin. All the way from May to around that July time, everyone was at maximum fear down at the bottom of this range here, weren't they? Basically, everyone thought we were going to zero. We had that overextension to the downside and boom, massive short squeeze. And over the next few months, we went up towards an all-time high, didn't we? So it looks like, in our opinion, potentially something similar happening here, where we're basically coming down like this, stuck under that resistance on the RSI. But if we do break it, back test it maybe and come back up, we could be looking at Bitcoin breaking out this range and getting back up through some of these fib levels, reversing the trend, at least breaking out of this descending channel that we're stuck in here. I do think it's quite likely that if we do break this RSI downtrend finally, now that we've come down to this crazy oversold level here, by the way, that we could be looking at breaking the RSI, coming up and at least testing this resistance again at around 40k currently. I think if we break this, back test it, will be good for continuation, potentially coming to the upside again for Bitcoin, back towards that all-time high at the very least. Because you could say overall we're just doing this, aren't we? Kind of just going sideways like this. And as we said in our previous video, if you do think we're potentially heading up in this kind of macro channel like this, you could say potentially, this is your channel, got resistance, and support. You drag your channel out, you can see we're heading like this. If we had an overextension to the downside, we could head down towards that 32k level at the bottom of this overall kind of consolidation, you could say, potentially, and then get the bounce like this. But if we do considering how oversold we are, it's crazy right now, isn't it? We could easily see Bitcoin coming up, retesting this, maybe breaking out and getting back up at least to the middle of this channel, up to around that 618 at around 45 to 48k, because in our opinion, we're horribly oversold right now because of wider macroeconomic conditions, and in our opinion, we are looking at that bounce pretty soon. So we're keeping things short and sweet today. But before we do short-term price predictions, as we said before, please go down in the description and check out our free Discord. It's been absolutely popping off with people recently. Loads of people getting involved. We really appreciate everyone getting in there. Go down in the description, find the free Discord. It takes like 10 seconds. You'll get access to so much content. We've got a really great passive income community. We've got a really great NFT community. We've got all kinds of stuff popping off in there. We've got daily news, daily crypto updates, daily technical analysis. We've got memes as well. Loads of great content. The community is amazing, so please go check it out. And then if you want a little bit more of an edge on the market, you can sign up to our Patreon. You'll get access to our private part of the Discord, where you'll get alpha, you'll get daily signals for Bitcoin for potential trades. You'll get maxi moves, where we tell you about some of our personal moves in the market, and just loads more content. So if you want to do that, go over to our Patreon in the link in the description and become a crypto maximalist today. So basically, short-term price predictions then, if we roll, we could potentially come down to this 36k level here at the top of this previous range we were in. We broke out here, back tested as support. If we roll further, that 023 again at 34.5k, a very strong support. In our opinion, this probably won't happen though. We're more likely to be coming up and testing the resistance first at 40k. And obviously, if we do this breakout, back test, we're going to be golden for continuation, aren't we? And then on the daily time frame for a long-term price prediction, you can see that, realistically, if this is what we're doing and we're heading up in this channel for the time being, if we come back to the top of the channel over the next 6, 7, 8 months, we could be coming up to 70, 80, maybe 90k by the end of the year. Maybe even 100k if we do get, that overextension into these fib levels that we're looking for. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and a 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in